Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We need to start with the chapter place values. The lessons we're going to cover today are place value models, tens and ones, regrouping tens and ones, convert to from a number up to hundreds, convert between place values up to thousands. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 2 math. Chapter we're on right now is place values. Let's just start with the lesson that is place value models, tens and ones. Which place value model shows 51? So you are given more than one models. You have to see which one shows 51. One, two, three, four, five. These lines that have 10 small squares make tens. And this is the one that makes one, so that is 51. And here is another model. This one shows 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 10 and 5 ones makes 15. So the correct option is the one that shows 5 tens and 1 shows 51. Let's just start with the test questions. Which number is shown, which is the correct option? One, two, three, four, five. So the figure has 5 tens. 5 tens and 3 ones. The model has 5 tens and 3 ones. So together they make 53. The question is 53. Option number 1 is the correct, and that is 53. Which place value model shows 84? So which is the correct option, first or second one? Option number 1 is the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So 8 tens and 4 ones makes 84. So option number 1 is the correct option. What number is shown? So the one that we're on right now shows 100. You have 10 rows and 10 columns, so that represents 100. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which place value model shows 17? So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. The second one shows 17, 1, 10, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 10, and 7 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. What number is shown? That is 74. Option number one is the correct option. Which place value model shows 48? So, which is the correct option? Which place value model shows 48? So, which is the correct option? Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next grouping tens and ones. 98 is 9 tens plus 8 ones, which is another way to make 98. So we have to make 98. We need to find the other way that makes 90. So the correct option is 8 tens and 18 ones, right? How? 8 tens you already have, and we can write 18 ones as 1, 10, and 8 ones. So when you count the tens, 8 and 1, 9 tens and 8 ones. So 9 tens and 8 ones makes 98. Let's just start with the test questions. 25 is 2 tens plus 5 ones, which is another way to make 25. 2 tens and 5 ones. So option number 2 is the correct option. How? So that is 1, 10, and 15. You can write 1, 10, and 15. You write 1, 10, and 5 ones. 1, 10, and 1, 10 make 2 tens plus 5 ones. So 2 tens and 5 ones makes 25. One, 10, and 15 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. 43 is 4 tens plus 3 ones, which is another way to make 43. 43 is 4 tens and 3 ones, so which is another way to make 43, which is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. 3 tens and 13 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. Eighty-eight is 8 tens plus 8 ones, which is another way to make 88. Eighty-eight is 8 tens plus 8 ones. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 7 tens and 18 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Thirty is 3 tens plus 0 ones, which is another way to make 30, which is the correct option. That is 2 tens and 10 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Two tens and 10 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ninety-two is 9 tens plus 2 ones, which is another way to make 92. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 8 tens and 12 ones. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself every day. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Convert to from a number up to hundreds. Let's just start with the lesson. The missing number 307. So how do we have to write it in the place value chart? The rightmost digit is always the ones digit. Then we have tens and then we have hundreds. So 300, 0, tens, and 7 ones. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number 963, which is the correct option. That is 906 tens and 3 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 832. That is 803 tens and 2 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 900 plus 5 tens and 3 ones, which is the correct option. Nine hundred five tens and 3 ones makes that is 953. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number 104 tens. Option number two is the correct option. 100, 4 tens and 0 ones. Option number two is the correct option. Type the missing number 915. 900, 110, and 5 ones. Option number three, 2 is the correct option. Option number two is the correct option. $767, which is the correct option. That is 700, 6 10, and 7 1. Option number two is the correct. Three is the correct option. Type the missing number 179. That is 100, 7 tens, and 9 ones. Option number three is the correct option. $992, which is the correct option. That is 900, 9 tens, and 2 ones. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself a little bit. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Convert between place values of 2000s. 3,000 is equal how many hundreds? 3,000 is equal 30 hundreds. Let's just start with the test questions. Hundred equals how many times? So in 100, 10 times. So 800 is equal 80 times. Option number 2 is the correct option. 80 times it is. Sixty-one is equal how many times? Sixty-one is equal 6 times. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four thousand is equal how many times? 4,000 is equal 400 times. Option number 3 is the correct option. Nine hundred is equal how many ones? Nine hundred is equal 900 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Three thousand ones equal how many thousands? That is 3,000. Option number 1 is the correct option. Five hundred is equal how many times? 500 is equal 50 times. Option number 2 is the correct option. 40 ones equal 4 tens. Option number one is the correct option. 1000 is equal how many ones? 1000 equal 1000 ones. Option number two is the correct option. 1000 equal how many ones? 1000 ones it is. Option number one is the correct option. 710 is equal how many thousands? 7000 it is. Option number two is the correct option. 50 hundreds equal how many thousands? 50 hundreds equal 5000. Option number two is the correct option. 600 is equal 600 rounds. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we were working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are place value models, tens and ones, regrouping tens and ones, convert two from a number up to hundreds, convert between place values up to thousands. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer your question and confusion if you have any. Any questions you can ask if you have any. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.